Hey, what's up guys? If you have unboxed your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max and set it up for the first time, you will notice that your iPhone screen will remain on always. This is normal, there's no issues with your iPhone screen. Apple has enabled always on display for your iPhone out of the box. This will definitely drain battery faster than it should, so if you're not happy with that, you can always turn this off in the settings. So in this video, let me show you how to turn this off. Go to settings, scroll down and go to display and brightness. Here scroll down and go to always on display. So here you have a couple of options. Under customize, you can toggle off show wallpaper. That way you will only be able to view the clock in the lock screen. Or if you don't want the clock and if you want the complete black screen, you can go back to always on display. Here you can toggle off always on display. That way always on display feature is completely turned off. Now each time you lock your iPhone, it will completely go dark. You will not see anything running on the screen. Let's try it again. When I tap the screen, it comes on, and when I press the power button, it goes completely dark. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video.